Hello and welcome to Software Wizardry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning videos using AI in just a few simple steps. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First, open your browser and click on the link below the description. Once you're there, click on Get Started. It's free. Next, click Continue with Google to create your account quickly and easily. Now, let's create a video using AI. Start by clicking on Generate a Video. Here, you'll describe your video by entering keywords. For example, type, "Make a video about monkeys." Next, go to Duration and select 1 minute. Then choose your preferred writing style. Let's select Professional. Click Generate Script to create your video script. Once you're inside the interface, set the screen size to 9:16. You can also tweak the script in the Script section if needed. Choose the voiceover for your video. You can select either a male or female voice. Next, head over to Caption to select your preferred font style. Finally, to create your video, click on Generate. To download your video, click the Download Video button and choose your desired quality, 2K, 4K, or Full HD, and that's it. You've just created a professional quality video using AI in a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks from Software Wizardry. See you next time.